Alright, you ready? What's up, guys? Today the Megan Racing catback exhaust came in. We're gonna be throwing this on today and going through the suspension with you guys. This is it. This is a 3-inch exhaust tip. It's a catback exhaust, but looking at the exhaust, I think I'm just gonna throw this on. We'll see. But yeah, see you guys out there. I could straight up die right now. Up. Sway bar, coils, tie rods, arms. It's like the subframe bushings are done. We got the exhaust out. Thing's pretty beat. Has some holes, whatever. But we're gonna throw the Megan Racing exhaust in. But we're gonna leave the actual part alone. Just basically replace this piece. Alright, we're done. Okay, I will say, after getting back from a test drive, the muffler delete that we did, it sounds pretty much like stock plus, you know. You can hear it sounds a little sporty, nothing crazy though. I'm gonna throw a clip in here so you guys can hear it on a cold start, but it's really quiet. Me personally, I enjoy it, but I think we're gonna throw mid pipe in this. Alright, so I'll say, me personally, I like the sound of that. That's perfect. It sounds, like I said, Sport Plus. It's not too loud. It's not too aggressive. It's not too quiet, per se. It's just right, but I think I need the mid-pipe. We'll see, but I think for the track, it'll be perfect. Plus, when things get a little too loud, you can't, in my opinion, you can't, if there's like something going on with the car, you don't hear it until it's too late. I like to be mechanically there so I can see what is going on in my car and when it's going on. But that is going to be it for today. I want to get this car on a lift next, and I'll be going over to my buddy Steve's. It was like 5 minutes down the road. He has an S13 as well, which I'll show you that. Alright, what's up, guys? So, we made it to my buddy Steve's. We got the car on the lift. We got the catback exhaust fully pulled off. We're currently in the stages of installing it right now inside. But I'll get back with you guys as soon as we have it fully on and whatnot and have it sorted. And you'll hear, you guys have heard what it sounds like with just literally a muffler delete. And now we'll do the muffler delete and that resonator delete. So we'll see how it sounds. Should sound pretty good, but we'll see.